Welcome to PG Sign Video, the YouTube channel that gives you more and shows you how. I'm David Saylor, and I've been in the sign and graphics industry for nearly 40 years now. Still learning something new every day. In my day-to-day, I help sign and graphics providers grow their business, and honestly, I learn more from them than they learn from me. With almost 4 decades in the industry, I've built an incredible network of colleagues who are always helping me push the boundaries of what's possible. This channel is all about creating professional signs and graphics. Pro graphics. That's it. PG Sign for short. Here you'll find unique applications, step-by-step tutorials, virtual printer demos, in-depth looks at printer cutter benefits, and tips on working smarter, not harder. Got something cool and creative you want to share? Drop me a note and I'd love to feature it. If you've got a time-saving or money-saving trick, let's share it with the community. We're all about learning from each other. So hit subscribe for updates, and if you like the videos, give them a thumbs up and share them with your network. Let's keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in sign and graphics.